Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I am going to share with you and show you how this is actually one of the exercises in the web development course that I bought in Udemy. This course is by Cold Steel. So I'd be glad to share with you as I learn along the way web development. This exercise is about how to make a chart. So this will be our reference for this exercise. So this is purely HTML. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm using, by the way, I've already prepared the URLs for these three characters, Pokemon characters. I've prepared this and pasted it in my sticky notes. So I'm using a text editor, Sublime Text. It's free. If you're using any other text editor, that's perfectly fine. But this one was recommended by Cold Steel, and another thing is that it's free. So I use Sublime. So let's open a new file, and then let's just save this one. Okay. Let's name this as Pokemon exercise. Don't forget .html, and then save wherever you want to save that. Alright, so I don't know if this is applicable to other text editors, but I have learned this also through Cold Steel. He taught us how some tips and tricks, some shortcuts in using this text editor. So to pull up your HTML skeleton, you just have to type HTML and then indent. It's easier, and of course it's faster. So for our title, it is Pokemon chart. So let's type Pokemon chart. Let's save this and check if we're doing fine. Let me see, where was it? I think this one. Let me just delete this one. Pokemon exercise. Alright. Open. Let's use. Okay. So far so good. We have here our title, the Pokemon chart. The same. Okay, let's start coding for the body. So this one is an H1 element. First gen Pokemon chart. Save. Again, let's check. Cool. The same. So time for us to make the table. So as you can see, the first row is a head. So in our body, the head, and in one row there are 4 columns. Four columns, so we are going to, TH by the way stands for T head. So let's just copy and paste, since there are again 4 columns. So for the first column, it's image, second is name, third type, last is evolves into. Again, let's save and check, double check. Oh, so the table is not showing. I think I'm missing something. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot I forgot the table. Okay. I forgot to code the table. Okay, I know. Sorry. Let's just cut and paste this one. Okay. Paste. Again. Not showing. Oh, we have to apply some border just to show you that the table actually exists. So it depends on you on what value of a border you want, but for the sake of this tutorial, 1 is fine. I'm gonna give it the value of 1. Save. Perfect. So it's showing already. Let's indent our elements so that it's easier for us to see the relationship between the elements. So again, what I forgot earlier is the table, this table, and then after that t head, and then tr, table row, th, t head. For the next row, so it's not a head, it's a body. So let's type t body. Okay, for the body, there are, so let's make three rows, since there are 3 rows in the t body. 1, 2, 3. So let's just copy and paste this one. Sorry. Okay. Copy and paste. Let's make 3. And then inside your table row, there are 4 columns, so for table data or TD. Again, let's copy and paste. Make 4 of these. Copy, paste, paste. The same with the second one. Paste, paste. Same goes to the last one. Perfect. Okay, let's make the first body. So this is an image, so we're gonna use the image tag. Again, I have already prepared the URL for these images. I've pasted it, I've saved it in my sticky note. Paste. If you're going to go along with this exercise, of course you can use any other images and use any images with respective URLs. And then after the image, ball, did I spell that right? Bulbasaur. And then grass, it's a grass poison type. Poison. And then evolves into, this is using anchor tag. So let's use an anchor tag. For in this case, I'm going to put a value in href with a value of octotor because I don't want it to go into any other pages, website. But if you want to lead this, how do you call it, anchor tag to other outside website, then go ahead and copy and paste any links that you want in here. But in this form, I'm fine with octotor. It's not leading anywhere. It's just an exercise anyway. So Ivysaur text. Let's check. Let's save and check. So reload. Perfect. Oh, not so perfect. We have to adjust the size of the image. Obviously, it's quite big. So let's give it a size of 100 maybe. Let's see. 100. It's smaller. Let's try 75. 75. Save, reload. Still smaller. I think, okay, 50. Okay, perfect. Right, so let's complete the other rows. For this, I need source for the second one. Then, how do you read this one? Is it? I'm not really a Pokemon fan. Sorry. Charmander. I don't know. I love anime, but I don't really appreciate Pokemon. I mean, I love One Piece, Naruto, Bleach, Gintama, but oh, sorry. For the HF, it should be Octothorpe, and then the text is Carmeleon. Save, double check, reload. Again, forgot the size. Let's give it a width. Same as the first, 50. Save. Cool. Okay, let's just copy this whole entire. No, we can copy it because I have already. Anyway, just type everything. For the last one, the URL of the image, let's copy and paste. Don't forget the width. Again, it's 50. Okay, the Squirtle, then water. Again, apply an anchor tag. Octotor, Wordle, whatever. Word turtle. Save. Reload. Perfect. I think we have a bit of a difference. This is a bit. Our reference has a thicker border, so let's adjust the border. Let's make it. Let's make this 2. Save. Okay. It's the same, right? Or it's thicker. So let's apply 3. Okay, the same. Okay, so there you have it. This is our chart, purely HTML. So thank you again for joining me, and I will be sharing more of our exercises so that those of you who are also starting in learning web development can learn more. I actually started learning in freecodeCamp, but I was stuck along the way, and yeah, I can really follow some of it, yeah, but along the way, I was actually I finished the first project, and then the second one, I was stuck, and I didn't quite get or follow the code any longer. So I ought to transfer to another resources and found this web development course in Udemy by Cold Steel. So far so good. I hope I'll be able to finish and understand um, fully the course. You know. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for joining me. And if you find this video channel beneficial to you, please like and subscribe. See you next video.